You searched how to buy shares of DroneVolt SA. DroneVolt SA develops professional drone systems for inspections and industrial applications. It is traded on Euronext under the ticker ALDRV.PA. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can trade. Open the platform search and type the ticker ALDRV.PA. Locate the listing that matches DroneVolt SA on Euronext and make sure the market and ticker match before proceeding. On the stock page, check the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct DroneVolt SA listing. Verify the exchange reads Euronext and the ticker ALDRV.PA to avoid similar names. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at market open. If you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After the order is placed, your position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the broker link is in the description if you want to review the platform used in this guide.